Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Then this is your second session of class 5 social studies first chapter. Chapter name is Evolution of Mankind. In the previous session already we learned about the evolution of mankind and sources or evidences of mankind. Okay. Then in this session we are going to discuss about the exercises and question answers. Okay. So let's move to the session. First one, multiple choice questions. First one, human-like creatures appeared on the earth's surface about, answer is 5.6 million. Then second one, modern humans originated nearly 1,60,000 years ago. Third question, human beings got food by either options are gathering plant produce, hunting, and both A and B. Answer is both A and B because human beings got food by either gathering plant produce or hunting. Then fourth one is fossils are the remains or impressions of a prehistoric. Options are A, plant, B, animal or human, C, both A and B. Answer is both A and B because fossils are the remains or impressions of a prehistoric plant or animal or human. Fifth one, the earliest evidence shows that tool makers were, options are women, men, both A and B. Answer is both A and B because the tool makers were both women and men. Okay. The next one is true false session. First one, the first human-like creatures appeared on the earth's surface 1,000 years ago. Answer is wrong because the correct answer is 5.6 million years ago. Okay. Second one, fossils are the remains of a prehistoric plant, animal or human. Answer is right. Third one, fossils are embedded in clouds. That one is false because fossils are embedded in rocks. Then fourth one, Homo erectus was the tool maker. Answer is wrong because the right answer is Homo habilis was the tool maker. Fifth one is early men had a large and complex brain. That one is correct answer. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one, our understanding regarding early human history has become more precise with the discoveries of human fossils. Answer one is human fossils. Second one, dash are the remains of a prehistoric plant, animal or human. The answer is fossils. Fossils are the remains of a prehistoric plant, animal or human. Third one, the story of human evolution is not only long but also very complicated. So third one is complicated. Fourth one, during the dash period primitive stone tools and equipments were made. Answer is Paleolithic period. During the Paleolithic period primitive stone tools and equipments were made. Fifth one, early humans began to use dash to live approximately 4 lakh years ago. Answer is caves. Early humans began to use caves. The next one is match the following section. First one, evolution of mankind is, the correct answer is 2 lakh years ago. Second one, Homo habilis, the tool maker. Third one, Homo erectus, the upright man. Fourth one, Homo sapiens, the wise or thinking man. Fifth one is development of voice box, very complicated. Now let's check the answer the following of chapter 1. First question is, briefly write about the evolution of mankind. Answer is, the long process of change from ape-like ancestors to modern human beings is called the evolution of mankind. Question number 2. When did the modern humans originate? Answer is, modern humans originated nearly 1,60,000 years ago. Third question, explain the term fossil. Answer is, fossils are the remains or impressions of a prehistoric plant, animal or human which have changed into stone. Fourth one is, mention the classification of evolution of mankind on the basis of fossils. So, the answer is, based on fossils, human evolution can be classified as under. Answers, first one, Homo habilis, tool makers. Second one, Homo erectus, the upright man. And third one, Homo sapiens, the wise or thinking man. Okay. Then fifth question. Fifth one is, what are the various sources and evidences of evolution of mankind? Answer is, human fossils, bones, stone tools, cave paintings, etc. are the various sources of evolution of mankind. So, our first chapter and exercises and question answers also completed. So, let's wind up the today's session. See you tomorrow with the second chapter. Bye bye. Take care.